Hi, I wanted to share a little cordage tutorial. I'm out on a hike. I've reached the top and I'm sweaty and satisfied. But along the trail I found some long grass, which I believe is arundo, which is a non-native grass that's been kind of invasive, and it likes to grow in more lush environments like riparian zones and things like that. It likes to be near water. Anyway, I found this and I looked at it and I thought, I wonder if that would make good cordage. So I'm going to try my best to show you a tutorial of it. So basically you get a long strand. I've never used this material before, but it seems that it will probably work decently. You take a long strand, and then somewhere kind of in the middle you can kind of, this strand has now broken into several strands, but that's fine. You fold it in the middle, a little bit staggered, so one part is a little shorter than the other, and that's important because if you want to make a long piece of cordage, you'll want to layer in your pieces. So Finch, watch out. And anyway, so you start by, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to take my right hand and twist the cordage, the leaves away from myself while I'm twisting my left hand towards myself, and it's going to make a little loop like that, naturally. You can see that loop. So it's made that loop, and now I have one strand that is behind and one strand that is in front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right hand and I'm going to twist the strand that's behind away from my body and then pull it over the front strand towards myself. And then with my left hand I'm going to pinch it down and hold that into place. And basically now I take the strand that's in back, which used to be in the front, and I'm going to twist that away from myself and then pull that over the strand that's in front and then pinch that down. The strand that's in back, twist it away from myself and pull it over the strand that's in front. So basically it's a super simple technique, and you just do that. There's other ways to make cordage. This is the way that I like best for my hands. It's a little tedious, but you just got to get your fingers kind of used to the motions, and soon you will start to see the cord form. And I've heard that this is how all fibers, like all rope, all fibers are made, even the smallest fibers in your clothing. They're made with this, like, I've heard that they're made like this, not by hand probably anymore, but like ropes on a ship, those are all made with this like technique, and it's super, super strong once it's complete. It's okay. So I'll show you kind of how it's forming. It's a little bit not clear. Maybe I should get out of the way. So yeah, that's the technique. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Play around with different materials too. This is actually surprisingly working well. So yeah, lots of different materials can offer really strong fiber for cordage. Have fun!